Okay, we're doing my mom's country chop suey. I'll go over the ingredients here with you. First of all, I got three different kinds of meat. I've got pork, I've got a beef cubed, and I got slices of chicken breast, about a pound each. I've got mushrooms, sliced mushrooms, about 8 ounces, 4 cups of celery, your Chinese vegetables. Let's see, bamboo shoots, 2 cans, water chestnuts sliced, 2 cans, bean sprouts, 2 cans. You're going to use all the water in them too. Got some oil for cooking in. We're going to have a large diced onion. And that's it for the most of the ingredients going in there. And then we're going to thicken this up after it cooks and flavor it up with some sugar, some soy sauce, and salt and pepper. And we're going to thicken it up with some water and cornstarch. So those are the ingredients. Here it is in writing for you. Diced onion, cloves of garlic, oil, beef, pork, and chicken, 4 cups celery, sliced mushrooms, 2 cans of water chestnuts, bamboo shoots, 1 can of bean sprouts, salt and pepper, and the thickening ingredients. So we're going to go ahead and put this together and see you on the other side. Okay, we are sauteing our meat. We're just going to cook it so it's not red. We're going to do it in 1 pound batches, the beef, the pork, and the chicken. Just going to get it so the red is gone. Put a little bit of the oil in there and mix up the beef until it's gone. We'll remove it, cook the next 2 pounds of pork and chicken. Then we're going to saute our onions until they're translucent. Okay, back to Mom's chop suey. All the meat has been seared, and the onions have cooked and gotten nice and translucent. Now we're going to add all of our ingredients to the pot and then put it on high for 45 minutes. So meat's ready, celery, bean sprouts, water chestnuts, bamboo shoots, mushrooms will go in the pot for 45 minutes, and hopefully we'll have something good in that time. Okay, we got everything in the Instant Pot. We're going to go ahead and close it up here shortly. All the ingredients are in there. For 45 minutes, we're going to cook that on high, and then we're going to open it up, add our thickening, let it thicken up, and we're going to have a really nice Mom's Country Chop Suey. So this is what goes into the thickener. Seasoned to taste. There's some sugar. So we're going to go ahead and get this buttoned up. All the vegetables and meat are in there. So let's go ahead and get it buttoned up. Go ahead and flip that up. All right. And let's go ahead and turn it to manual. And we're going to do 45 minutes. Last time I did this, it was for an hour, and I thought the meat was a little bit softer and more tender than I wanted. I wanted to have a little bit of chew to it. So we're going to go ahead and come back in 45 minutes and then add the thickener, and hopefully we'll have some Mom's Country chop suey tonight. Okay, the Instant Pot has been released. All the pressure's been released, and we're ready to go ahead and take this thing off. All right, so it's still cooking pretty good, and we're going to add our thickener to that, and that'll make it really nice and tasty, and thicken all that liquid up. All right, so we got it all good to go. For the thickener, spread it around just like making gravy. Now we're going to mix this up. In a couple minutes, that should be nice and thick. Now you can see everything in there, all the meat, all the vegetables. So once it's getting thickened up, and we season it to taste, then we'll go ahead and dish it up and put it on a plate of rice, and top it off with some chow mein noodles. As you can see, it's already starting to thicken up. Oh, the wonders of cornstarch. It should be pretty tasty with the soy sauce, all the veggies, things like that. So this is Mom's Country Chop Suey. Big batch. Anyway, see you after we plate it up. Okay, it's time to plate up some of Mom's chop suey. Put a little rice, a bit of rice on a plate for yourself. Go into the pot after you think you got the thickening just right the way you want it. I like mine a little bit thicker, so I add another tablespoon of cornstarch. Then just spoon it up onto a plate. Boy, it could probably even be a little bit more thick. I like it really thick. But you can always come back for seconds. All right. Look at all that wonderful stuff in there. All right, I got a big plate there. All right, and I like to top mine off with some chow mein noodles. Just add a little crunch to it. And that's Mom's Country Chop Suey. Hope you guys get a chance to try it out, and thank you for watching.